Battle of wits, birds versus animals, a great battle of instructive logic with laughter. Whoa, who is shouting like that in the morning? I was sleeping, I felt like someone was pulling my ears. If anyone wakes me up today, I will recite poetry to them. No matter how big the logic, I will say, sleep is the food of the wise. But yes, today is not a competition of wits, I will win. Will you win again? Intelligence is not in your head, but in your tail. I am a tiger, the king of the jungle, even mountains melt with my logic. Today I will teach the birds that flying does not increase intelligence. Intelligence is gained in the teeth, not in the bark, and in the roar. Without me, this jungle would have become stupid. Tiger brother, don't be arrogant. My brain weighs more than your intelligence. Intelligence means not only words, but also memory, thinking and patience. I don't forget, so I am more intelligent. You shout, I think, answer in silence. Brother elephant, if you talk so much, the forest will dry up. Your brain is big, but where is the intelligence? I am a fox, strategy is in my blood. I know when everyone believes you when you speak. Today I will teach the birds what the word trap means. Oh, don't underestimate the intelligence of birds. We are small, so we think big with our heads. Today you will see, with logic we will digest the bones of animals. Our brains are small, but our thoughts are like the universe. Come on, let the competition begin. Crow, crow, listen up, everyone. Today's competition is who will survive in the battle of wits. Two teams will take turns asking questions, and you will have to answer with logic. If someone says something wrong, the owl will analyze their reasoning. Let's start. Round 1, question versus argument. I ask the animals, if there are no trees in the forest, where will you live? Your house, shade, fruits, everything is a gift from the trees. How will the forest exist without trees? Tell me, then who will you call the king? We birds live in the sky. Where will you go? Toontoonie, your question has more wind, less logic. If there are no trees, I will live in a stone cave. I am the king of the forest. The trees are not my servant. Even if nature changes, the tiger remains the king. If there are no trees, I will make the shade myself. The wind will become trees with my roar. Tiger, when you roar, trees do not grow, fires break out. You think you are the king, but there is no life without trees. Who will you eat? Where will you sleep? Not everything can be done by the king. Nature is the real king. Your logic has flown away in the forest wind. Parrot brother, your words are poetry, but your logic is weak. There are no trees, but we can build a new forest with intelligence. Intelligence means thinking about alternative solutions to problems. You only fly, we work on the ground. This is the difference between animals and birds. Both sides have logic, but neither side is right. If there are no trees, there is no intelligence. The danger increases. Intelligence is learning balance. Intelligence cannot survive without nature. So no one won this round. The next question is the animal's turn. Listen, birds, if the wind suddenly stops one day, how will you fly? What will your wings do then? The wind gives you the power to fly, not you. Will you walk on the ground then? We will then say, birds are the donkeys of the sky. Brother elephant, even if there is no wind, we will not give up. We will fly not on our wings, but on our heads, in thoughts. The body gets stuck, not thoughts. The intelligent one is the one who can fly even from the ground. You keep your knowledge in your trunk, we in your brain. Toontoonie's logic is great, but isn't it a bit excessive? What does it mean to fly in thoughts? Can food also be eaten in thoughts? Intelligence is tied to reality, not imagination. You talk big, but avoid reality. In my opinion, the elephant is ahead in logic in this round. Brother Crow, your judgment is also a lie. Intelligence is never just reality, imagination is also a source of knowledge. He who can imagine, brings change. You say, impossible, we say, try. So in this round, Tuntuni won with all his heart. Both are half right. Intelligence means the ability to change reality into imagination. The elephant spoke realistically, Tuntuni showed imagination. So no one has won yet, but everyone is learning. The crow will ask questions in the next round. Tell me, Brother Tiger, if no one hears your roar in the forest, is it still scary? What is fear if you don't hear the sound? Is the tiger still the king? Intelligence means influence, not presence. Tell me, give me an argument. Ha ha ha. Crow, your question has a bug in it. I roar to scare, not to make people hear. Fear is in the mind, not the ears. Even if I stand still, the forest becomes still. My presence is fear, roaring is just its shadow. Brother Tiger, don't be arrogant. Fear is a manifestation of weakness, not intelligence. He who scares, lives in fear. You may silence everyone, but lose your reason. He who is intelligent is not afraid, but gains respect. Brother Parrot, your words are sweet, but I say, there is wisdom in fear. I climbed the mountain because I was afraid, and that's when I realized that courage means recognizing fear. You only talk about peace, you don't know the fear of reality. Intelligence means using fear. Your reason is on the pages of a book, mine is in the field. Excellent. Today's strongest arguments are on three sides: fear, courage, respect. All three are part of intelligence. The one who understands and balances everything is truly wise. So the result in this round too, equal. Now the final round. I will ask the last question. If knowledge was sold in the market, who would buy it? Poor or rich, animal or bird? Does intelligence match money? Tell me, who is the wisest? Fox brother, knowledge cannot be bought with money, but it is hidden in books. He who knows how to learn is richer than the rich. Knowledge cannot be bought, it can be earned. You know the tricks, I know education. The fool will be caught in your trap, not me. Oops, good answer, but incomplete. Knowledge is not in books, but in action. Memorizing books is not knowledge, it is the work of copying. The one who applies is the wise one. You are stuck in thought, I am walking in reality. Both of you, make knowledge a game. Knowledge means memory, experience and kindness. The one who learns, understands and forgives is the wise one. You have won in arguments, lost in education. The more knowledge is shared, the more it increases. No one wins today's competition, because everyone has forgotten something or the other. Intelligence is not alone, it requires logic, patience and compassion. Whether it is a bird or an animal, knowledge belongs to the one who learns every day. You may laugh, but learn, that is the real victory. From today on, everyone will be a friend of the forest intelligence. Everyone claps, laughs, sings together, everyone together. The greater the intelligence, the more fleeting is his pride. Laughter, learning, and being together, that is the true intelligence of the forest, brother.